light entertainment on board the flights. However, we've tried rebooting the system. Hopefully we can get it to work properly. If it does work properly, you'll have a variety of music, movie, and game channels at your leisure. I've understood that we have some seats that are asking for credit cards for movies that should not. Anyhow the system operates, there is no charge for movies and entertainment aboard the aircraft. If I get the system working properly, please do not insert your credit card into any system aboard the aircraft. Once we're leveled off, we'll be coming through the cabin with a beverage and a meal service complimentary beverages include coffee, tea, milk, and juices. We do have meals for purchase in our main cabins. In the back of your Hemispheres magazine, you'll find an a la carte and snack box menu. We do accept credit cards only for food purchases. On behalf of United Airlines, our Star Alliance partners, and especially this Houston International base crew, I'd like to first welcome you here to Houston International Airport. Local time is about 10 minutes before 7 p.m. locally here Central Standard Time. We will be taxiing for the next few minutes. Please remain seated. Seatbelts fastened. All carry-on articles need to remain stowed, please, until we have come to a complete and final stop at the terminal building, at which time the captain will then turn off the seatbelt sign. This will then be your indication that you are free to move about the cabin, claim your personal belongings, and exit here in Houston. Use caution, please. When opening the overhead bins, items may have shifted during our flight. There will be uniformed gate personnel that meet the aircraft. There are also monitor screens located throughout the terminal buildings to assist you with gate connection information. We will be arriving on the C concourse gate number